Hello guys, today I am going to teach you difference between made of and made from. Use made of to talk about the material of an object, wood, plastic, glass, crystal, etc., which has not gone through very much processing. You can still see the original material. For example, this table is made of wood. This table is made of wood. The window is made of glass. The window is made of glass. This shirt is made of cotton. And use made from to talk about one object that came from another different object. For example, cheese is made from milk. Cheese is made from milk. The second example is wine is made from grapes. Wine is made from grapes. In each of these cases, you can't see the original material anymore. Milk or grapes, they have been transformed into something completely new. So guys, if this video is very fruitful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.